you can apply more than one rule in your table. So here, let's say the requirement is you have some student names and their respective marks. So student is considered as pass if he score above 30, otherwise they are fail. So here the requirement is you need to find the fail student and color them as red, and you need to find the pass student and color them in green. So here, what you have to do is first you have to make sure you have selected the name of the students on which you want to apply your conditional formatting. After that, what you have to do is you have to go to the conditional formatting, click on new. Apply that, you have to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So once you have clicked on cell to format, please note you have to give the cell reference. So here what we will do is we are going to apply this rule on L L3. Okay. So let's say I will be writing here as equal to L3. L3, let's say first I want to apply the rule on fail student and color them in red. So L3 has to be, let's say, less than equal to 30. Okay. So when I do that, after that, I have to click on format. So I wanted to apply this on fail student. So I will, let's say, click fill and I will apply red color. Okay. After that, I will press OK. So once I press OK, so you can see Anil Kumar, Dharmendra Singh, Farooq Sheikh, Govind Namalkar, they are fail students. Now I want to apply again this on pass students. So what you have to do is this time again you need to select the cells on which you want to apply this rule. Go to the conditional formatting, click on manage rules because you are doing it on the existing set of rows only. So click on manage rules. Here what you have to do is you have to click on new rule in the current selection. Then you have to use a formula to determine which cells to format, and equal to, again you will write L3 and it has to be greater than 30. So in this case, what you want to do, you need to click format and in the fill tab, choose green color. Okay. Once you choose green color, then press OK. Okay. Then click on OK. Now again, what you have to do is this is your conditional formatting rules manager. So you have to click on OK. Once you click on OK, you can see the rows which are satisfying or meeting the criteria are highlighted in green color. So thank you.